Hi, this is Samantha with Fastway. Today we are going to be talking about ticketing within the Fastway app. The top left corner of the app contains a list of your lanes. While mine says scale lane 1, yours may say something different. You could also have multiple lanes to choose from if you have multiple scales at your site. Select a lane to be brought to that lane's ticketing screen. We'll select lane 1. Making a ticket within Fastway is very simple. To start, we are going to focus on making a generic ticket, then we will dive into ways to speed that process up. Let's select a truck. Notice a search bar will pop up. Start typing in the truck that you will need. Notice that the hauler is selected as well. Trucks can be configured for multiple haulers, so you have the ability to change the hauler if necessary. In the next panel, we could select request if there is one. If not, we can move on to customer, order, and product. We can search for our customer, their order, and product. If you're making an orderless ticket, you can skip the order field. Be sure to check out our video on orderless ticketing if you want more details on how to set that up. Next up is Ship-to and PO number. Ship-to is a new field in our ticketing app that can track addresses. You can save multiple ship-tos to orders as well as customers. This is not a required field. Next is the PO number. This is a field that can be required depending on your order or your customer settings. The panel after that will show specific order information as well as the ticket note field. Let's type a ticket note in. Ticket notes can be saved for the future with the save icon. They can be saved for all future tickets or for specific orders, products, and trucks. And finally, we can accept our weight in the bottom panel. We do include an override option if you need to manually enter the weight. The tonnage will show here, as well as pounds. Depending on the pay type of the ticket, the cash value may show. To finalize and print this ticket, select Create Ticket. As you can see, the ticket has been created. Also, if we look in our history, we can see the ticket was created. And that is how you make a ticket within the Fastway app. The main points to focus on are truck, customer, order, product, and weight. There are also a few ways that we can speed this process up. Do you watch trucks enter the yard and wish that you could prep their ticket in advance? Well, now you can with our app. You can pre-fill ticket information for trucks entering your site with the Stash Ticket button. First, fill in the truck, the customer, the order, and the product. Click the Stash Ticket button, which will now save it as a pending ticket. Then, when the truck comes back on the scale, you can select their pending ticket from the Pending Ticket panel on the top right of your page. We have the truck entered here. It shows the truck ID, the customer, select. Now we can simply accept their weight and finalize their ticket. Click Finalize Pending Ticket, and that ticket has been created. We can always check the history side. There are also a few extra buttons in the truck panel that offer more features. Do you constantly have trucks running the same load over and over? The Repeat Last button can really help you out. First, fill in the required information and create a ticket. That ticket has been created. Since that ticket has been created, we can now select that truck and hit Repeat Last. All of that truck's last ticket information will automatically be filled out for you. This skips the need to select all of the fields again. If they are running a slightly different load, you can still change whatever fields you need to for the ticket. We also have the ability to tear trucks on the screen as well. Just select the truck, accept the weight when your truck is on the scale, and select Tear. You can also manually enter the tear weight and select Tear. That tear has been saved for that truck. This helps keep you on one page rather than switching back and forth from multiple pages of the app. And those are the key elements for making a ticket within the Fastway app. You can always reach out to our support team, and our knowledge base is located on the top right of your Fastway homepage with the question mark icon. Thank you for watching.